in the bar or the link you were given for registration, you should have an interface like this. So you want to register as an individual, your country, the email, and password. Let's go. So I'll be using Nigeria. Then I'll be using this number. I'll be putting email. Email has been used. All right. Let's try this. Then a code will be sent to your mail for verification. All you just have to do is go to your mail and look for the code. Then you want to put a password. You make sure the password carries all these requirements. Now let's check the mail. All right, I've seen the code. Click on register. When you click on register, you want to double tap this. Phone number already in use. Sorry guys, I already have an account, but this is just for tutorial purpose. Upon registration, then I think we're in. The next thing you want to do is you want to click on authenticate now. You're done authenticating. You want to fill all these titles, then click on next. When you click on next, it's going to ask you for you to upload your documents. I can do that now because I already have my document uploaded. I don't have other person details to use. Ask you questions and the agreements. And that's all on how to register your account. So upon registering your account, it will be verified. You'll be sent a mail. The account has been verified. So the next video, we'll be talking about how to set up your MT4. Thank you. God bless.